how to make a TikTok video with music. To get started, first of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on the plus icon in the middle. This is the TikTok camera screen. Here, you can take photos or videos to post on TikTok. Now, tap and hold the capture button to record a video. After you're done, you can edit the video using the edit options on the right side of the screen. You can also add music to this video by tapping on the Add Sound option at the top. Here, you can explore and view all the available sounds on TikTok. You can also search for a specific music in the search bar. Select the music of your choice and tap on it. You have now successfully added a music to this video. After that, tap on Next at the bottom. Here, you can add a caption if you want and also manage other video settings. Then tap on Post at the bottom. Following these steps, you can easily make a TikTok video with music.